Good girl. Wow, good dancing. Hula, hula, hula. That's wonderful dancing. What are you eating? Is that a cookie snack or a cracker?
Can you put that all in your mouth like that? Wow.
Oh my gosh. That dress is adorable. Are you going to dance some more? You're looking at... Oh, good job. Hula, hula, hula. Yeah, shake your skirt. Shake, 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 shake.
Look at someone dancing.
Dance, dance, dance.
She's dancing.
That's good dancing. Whoa.
You want more banana or what?
Hula.
Did she show it off or what?
I think so. It's a pretty dress. How can you not? Cracker? Good walking. There's Ivy girl.
Here.
Hey, good job. Bye-bye, Zoe. Are you going to go-go? You going to go-go-go? Dance and can you dance too, Ian? You dance too?
Dance.
Dance, dance, dance. Ian, can you dance?
No.
Yes, you sure can. To tractor? You do the tractor dance?
Tractor harvesting the wheat.
Yes, Tara knows.
Tractor harvesting the wheat.
Harvesting the wheat. Harvesting the wheat. Tractor, tractor, harvesting the wheat. How does she know that song? Wow.
That's become her favorite.
Really? Why is it so addicting?
I don't know.
It's obsessively.
Uh-oh.
All right. I'm done.